Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about Myntra jewelry haul. As you can see that I'm ready and I just finished shooting my makeup look. So if you want to see the look, go on my Instagram and you can check it out over there. So today's video is going to be about the jewelry which I ordered from Myntra. I think 2-3 months back. No, November. Yeah, I ordered it in November. I just wanted to give a jewelry haul and tell you guys that how does it look, what is the material and how much it costed. So the jewelry range is from 230 to max it went to 800 I guess. So I'll show you all the jewelries. Let's get into the video. Yes, so the first one I want to show you are these ones, if you can see. Yeah, so these ones are from Zaveri Pearls and these are some jhumka, dome shaped jhumkas with very basic. Yep. So these were for 341 from Zaveri Pearls, Myntra. Zaveri Pearls is a Myntra brand basically. Next one is this one, again a green one. I ordered this one also because this one was, wait a second. Yeah, so this one came with tika, this monk tika. This one came with a monk tika like this. So the whole pair, I lost one earring. I think it's somewhere in the cupboard, so I have to find it. But yeah, the quality, if you talk about the quality, it's okay. The price was 273, so you cannot expect anything more than this for 273. So you see there are threads over here. So yeah, the quality is okay. There was something on the top which came out. You can wear it like 2-3 times and that's it. Done. For 273, I would still prefer buying this. Yes, so this is how it looks like. Looks really nice and chic. Next one I have is again from Zaveri Pearls. Zaveri Pearls, very nice jewelry brand on Myntra. And these are the gold earrings. You can pair it with ethnic, you can pair it with a gown, an evening gown, or you can pair it with Indo-Western, anything. So it is how it looks. And this was, I'll tell you, I have saved everything on my phone. So this was again for 341. These are 2 earrings which I got. These 2. The quality is again very much okay. As you can see, the chains are already bending. If you can see, these are bending. So it is okay for 341. I like it. These are good. The next one is also gold color earring. These are the long ones. So yep, these are the long ones for deeper neck. So if you have like a gown or something or a dress which has a deep neck, you can wear these because this will touch your collarbone. So these ones for again 267. You can see this. Next one is from Priyashi, another brand from Myntra. So this is a choker set. This is a choker set. So this is a choker set with 2 earrings. Another one, and there is a monk tika also. So you've got monk tika. Okay, you've got monk tika, you've got earrings, you've got choker set. So this set was, this was 479. So talking about the quality, it's good. I like it. The pearls or the diamonds which you see have not come out yet, so it's pretty good. I will show you how it looks. This is how it looks like. Obviously it doesn't go with this dress because the neck is not deeper, but if there is a deep neck, you can wear this definitely. Don't mind my earrings. And the earrings out here. So it looks like this. The next is again another choker set from Zaveri Pearls. I got mostly all the jewelries from Zaveri Pearls. So this is a choker set again. You can wear. This was for 679. This goes like this on the neck. You can pair it with your. I've got earrings with this, 2 big earrings, like really big earrings, and then I've got a monk tika also with this. So you've got earrings, you've got monk tika, you've got choker. For the quality, it's really nice. The only thing is these might come out. So you have to be they're very fragile, you have to be very careful with these ones. The product is very nice. The next thing I got from Myntra are these earrings. So this goes about, yes, these are the layered earrings. Okay, so this goes about like this, and these were for 273. Again, very good for 2 to 3 events or 4 events because it won't stay more than that, but very nice product. This pair of earring was from Peora, if I'm pronouncing it right. Long blue earrings, 2 earrings, and this is set with Marklika. And it goes like this. So this was for, again, so the MRP of this is 1098, if you can see. The MRP of this is 1098, and I got it for 8. So 508 was the price which I got it for. So this was about it. This was the jewelry which I got from Myntra. I think very reasonable, very good for events, 2, 3, 4, 5 events. Please go check out the links in the description if you like any of them. And the prices might change because when I bought it, it was on sale, and now I don't know what is the price of it. So yeah, I hope you guys liked my video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down in the section which was your favorite jewelry, and comment down your reviews on the section also. I will see you in the next video. Bye.